Hey guys, welcome back. So today we've got the FCRC F1/F2 1/14 scale Jeep, and we're going to be pushing it through its paces to see if this thing's actually any good on the trail. Stay tuned. This is the part where I normally cut into starting the trail, but I've rushed home and I broke schedule, guys. I normally post new content every Wednesdays and Sundays, but I'll be getting this up as soon as possible today, Friday, because I want to actually hopefully try and give you guys the best honest opinion I can and try not to polish a turd, so to speak. My first impressions of this truck, I got out the box and wow, I was blown away. It comes with opening doors, it comes with opening hood, it comes with an opening little boot as well. The general aesthetics of this truck are second to none. Comes with a little opening boot, little Liam fits in there nicely, lots of leg room for your little figures. Comes with mirrored wing mirrors, and yeah, on paper this thing sounds awesome. We've got a fully proportional 5-wire axle mounted servo, no bump steer, and there's even a 260 motor in there. So I thought this thing was going to handle very well on the trail. So we'll cut to some footage out on the trail and we'll come back and we'll talk a bit more about where they went wrong. These electronics need to be putting out some more draw current to the motor. It's a shame really, they've gone all out on making the body look nice, and the electronics, it's got a 260 in here. It feels like I'm driving a 130. Feels like I've got a 130 in here. Battery's fully charged. Made sure of that before leaving the house, and we can't even get up unless the battery is packed in already. Throttle pinned, and it won't get up this. This is not even a testing gradient for the other rigs like the C24, the MN99, but it's proven to be a challenge for this little rig. It's not going anywhere. Disappointed to say the least. I thought this having a 260 motor would have more than enough power to take on the trail, but as we've just seen, yeah, it doesn't seem to cope well on any gradients or any obstacles. So it's a shame really. They've gone all out with this gorgeous body with, you know, opening doors, and just really does look the part, but the actual functionality of it out on the trail is subpar compared to what's out there on the market at the moment. I mean, for the same price you could pick up yourself a C24-1 and that thing will take the trail on with ease. So I like to give honest opinions. I don't want to be trying to make this thing look better than it is, because I think it's not fair on you guys. But yeah, the FC models, F1/F2, let's hope that they go back to the drawing board and maybe revisit their electronics, because it's got all the ingredients to make a good trail truck. It's let down, I think, by the ready to run electronics actually not putting enough draw current to the motor. So obviously then we're stalling out on the hills, and yeah, I mean, this is ideal to play around with in the house, but bring it out and get it muddy on the trail, it really just doesn't handle well, in my opinion. We'll finish off with the tricky downhill tree line if we can get up it. Just got up it. See, the throttle modulation is really nice, but it's let down by the lack of power. Oh, hanging on for dear life here on the end. Are we going to topple? Yes! So as you've seen out on the trail, the electronics this thing come with are just underpowered. It's a shame in my eyes. They've gone all out with this really nice body. They've put all the hardware in, the 260 motor, the lights, the servo on the axle, and then they've skimped on the electronics, which is a big factor with these little trucks. You need that draw current going to the motor, otherwise this thing isn't going to get over anything, as we've just seen. And yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I wanted to rush this video out for you guys so you could make your own minds up. You know, it's a great truck. There's lots of possibilities for upgrades, electronics being the main one, but then the downsides being this is a pretty niche truck, whereas the FAEs and WPLs, they're like Lego, they're all interchangeable. This is pretty unique, so there's not actually a lot of upgrade parts out there currently for this. So my advice would be to get it if you like it, if you like the body, or you plan on upgrading the electronics, or if you've got a good knowledge of these trucks and you can upgrade them. Or if not, I'd say give this one a miss. I've even still got my coat on, I've come straight in. Give this a miss and maybe go for something a little bit more capable on the trail for the same price range. Something like the, let me get it. Something like the C24-1, same price, but this little critter out the box is a lot more capable on the trail. And there, as you can see, a bit of a spoiler alert, there are plenty of upgrades out there for this little truck as well. And that's it for me today, guys. Like, I want to be known for honest opinions. I don't want you guys buying this truck, taking it out on the trail and being disappointed like I was. I want to give you my experience of what actually happened. And like I said, you can make your own minds up. You know, what a shame. So yeah, guys, cheers for watching. And like just a bit of a spoiler alert, Sunday's video is going to be upgrading the C24, or showing you the upgrades that you can get yourself for that truck. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content coming up. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.